I'm usually fighting with women and
let's
taking
fight.
people down.
It could be our first fight.
Today we are talking about family businesses. Hi, beautiful Alexia. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me, Angie.
My close friend and beautiful business owner, Heather Gay, is here.
I love seeing School of Hustle with Angie K.
Do I look professional?
You are professional.
Do I look like a hustler?
You look gorgeous.
Laura Brown, author of the best-selling book, All the Cool Girls Get Fired.
They do.
I'd love to hear you share some of your greatest obstacles.
My biggest obstacles have always been my personal life.
You've inspired me to write a book. I don't know what I would talk about.
Oh, I think you have plenty to talk about.
And I wasn't a plastic surgeon, but I knew how to sell Botox and I knew how to sell lip filler.
You are getting better with age.
Is this the School of Schmooze or the School of Hustle?